We guide you through how to create a group chat in Slack. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Slack app or go to the Slack web version and make sure you are logging into your workspace. Once inside, look at the left sidebar and find the channel section. Then click the plus icon or the create channel option. Now, type your group or channel name clearly so your team can easily identify it. Then add a short description if needed. Next, choose your privacy settings. Set it to public if you want everyone in the workspace to join, or private if it's only for selected members. After that, click create and go to your group is now ready. And final steps is to invite members by typing their names or emails so they can join instantly and start collaborating. Once done, you can start sending messages, sharing files, and organizing your decision or discussions inside your new Slack group, making teamwork faster and more organized without confusion.